This is a quick walkthrough on what I need you guys to help me out with on this project. This is Project White Rose. So as you can see, this is on my local host, and this is the project as completed so far. I've already done, I think, 80 to 90% of the work. I really just need you guys to put the finishing touches because I just don't have the time. So what I want you guys to see is this is the website as it looks right now. So the hover effect for the links are there. Everything's functional. This pops a Vimeo video. This brings a Inquire pop-up. The slider, very simple. It works. Everything works fine. So what I really need you guys to do is, number one, help me with incorporating some animations, some CSS3 jQuery animations. So you'll be working a lot with that. And number two is helping me fix some bugs that I just don't have time to fix right now. So first things first, let's talk about this call to action right here. So this right here is it activates this pop-up. Now what I want this to do right now, it's a PNG, but I'm going to provide you an SVG, and using SVG we can animate this to do certain things. So what I want this to do when I click on it is when I move my mouse over, is I want this circle, the white circle here, to enlarge. So I want it to be slightly larger, and then and I want it to use the animation here. So you can see on this Tympanist, all of my animations are going to be coming from here, so you can directly take the source from here and apply it to the elements on my site. So here you'll see that there's a expand ability, and it's very simple with the fluid easing. So I believe this is using jQuery, one of the preset jQuery effects. So I just need to apply CSS3, scale, transform, make it larger, and use the easing here to create that nice bubbly effect with that circle. And the second thing I needed to do is I need the dotted line here to rotate. So exactly the same way as this animation right here. It's a very nice rotation. This is also CSS3, just a rotating animation, dotted line. So that's all I needed to do. So in one, I needed to expand. I need to turn white, expand, using easing, and I need this circle to rotate according to here. So I'll send you the links for these, so you can just go in and grab the source and apply it to the SVG that I provide you. That's number one. Number two is I just need to add positional bullets here. Very simple, so I know where I am on the slider, so that should be very simple. Number three is I would like to have this logo, which I also provide to you in SVG. I need it to expand on mouse over. So it's just a nice little effect. It doesn't actually do anything, but it'll expand on mouse over in the same way. So it'll create a little bubble of this little liquid effect right here. Same way as this. So it just turns a little bigger, maybe 5% enlarged, and then on mouse out it'll go back to normal. And then number three is you can see here when I click this, it will give me, let's go back into the job. Yeah, so click this, it'll give me that opening animation. So that's default, that came with the plugin that I'm using to do this. But I don't really like that animation. I really just want it to expand from the center, and then it zooms out. So from a small square to a large square, and with easing and just very fast instead of what it is right now. So that's the animation that I want for that. And then lastly, well, actually second to last, is instead of right now, it's a very simple fade. It's nice, just a fading effect. It's good. But I want to use this item transition. It's called soft scale. So it's a very nice zoom and fade at the same time. So it should be a relatively simple addition to the current animation, but I just don't have the time to figure it out. So if you guys can help me out with that, that would be great. And last thing is that I would like to add a global page transition to all the pages. So here I want to use the spill animation, and you can see it loads and it goes to the next page. So I just want all pages in my website to use this preloading page transition animation. So all the code, once again, is on this website. You just go to the source and copy their code, and apply it to my site. So I just want to be able to change the colors, obviously, of that, and probably have it swipe to this white. But I'll once you get it done, I'll tell you how to style it accordingly. And that is all the changes for the homepage. Let me know if you have any questions. I will give you the links to all of these um, examples so you guys can go ahead and copy them. Thank you very much.